Hey guys, welcome to Razi Tech Tips. If you are facing NPM issues after the download and update the latest version of Node and NPM, so let's fix these issues in 2 minutes. So first I checking the version of Node. So my version of Node is 16.15.1 and let's check the NPM. So now you can see I got the npm1 error here. So let's fix these issues. First we have to go to the folder of Node, is where that file stored after the download of Node.js. So let's open the file of npm in Visual Studio Code. If you want to open in Notepad, where you want to open, you can. So I open in Visual Studio Code. Here we have to add the hyphen location equals to global instead of prefix hyphen g. So now you can see here is a hyphen g, prefix hyphen g. So I pasted here hyphen location equals to global and just save it. So you can see I added here the hyphen location equals to global instead of hyphen g. So let's check the version of Node here quickly. So if you want to check the directly npm version, you can. So I'm checking the Node and npm both. So wait a moment. Now you can see this problem is fixed. I got my npm version 8.11.1. so if it